everybody, I'm Miss Washington. I am going to be the fifth grade virtual teacher for Shining Star Christian Schools. I will be teaching fifth and sixth grade math this year, and Mrs. Arndt is going to be teaching you guys ELA for fifth and sixth grade. In fifth grade, I will also be teaching Word of God, Science, and Social Studies. So you got me for math, Word of God, Science, and Social Studies. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys. I look forward to getting you guys ready for sixth grade by pushing you in that high rigor and teaching you strong character traits. I am also looking for all my students to have those cameras on the very first day of school. Be ready to participate, dress for success. That means appropriate clothing on, sitting up strong with your learning materials right next to you, ready to go, starting at day one. Now we're going to go over some rules and routines, of course, on day one, but we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. So make sure you're ready and you get enough sleep. We also, we're going to have lots of fun in our class if we can get our learning done every single day. So come ready to learn every day. And if you're tired, don't worry. I'm tired some days too. We'll get there. We'll work together as a team and a family. In the picture, you see me and my son. He is going to sixth grade. Him and I love to go swimming. We like to watch baseball games, watch movies, go outside. And he loves to play the violin. So those are some things that we like, and I can't wait to figure out what you guys like. Some of my other favorite things to do, I love to read. So even though you go to Mrs. Arndt for ELA, I am going to be doing some read aloud with you in the mornings for our morning meeting. So I hope you're ready to participate and hear some cool books. Last year, we listened to Charlotte's Web. That was one of our favorites. We love to listen to Christmas music during Christmas. We love to have parties. We love to have dress down days. So be ready for all the fun we can have in fifth grade if you do your job, which I know you will. Some of my other favorites. I love having snacks during class when you earn it. So if you get your work done and it's Fun Friday, we can bring a snack to the camera, maybe watch a movie. My favorite food is tacos, and I cannot wait to hear what your favorite food is. I cannot wait to hear it. My favorite colors are purple and blue, and I like to know a little bit about you. But like I said, our classroom is going to be fun. We're going to be using Class Dojo, so parents be looking out for that join code from me. We're also going to be emailing me. My email address is on the sheet that you will get at the bottom, so I like to get emails. I also have a phone number that you can text me. It is 414-885-5890. So please text or call if you need anything during school hours. But once again, I'm so excited to meet all of you, and I cannot wait to see you on our very first day of virtual learning on August 17th.